Hello guys! Do you want to learn how to cook like your mom? Then look, I'll show you now. Who's the one in Potbelly guy here? It's Onion. Do you know what kind of magical ability an onion has? He knows how to cause tears. When you cut it, whether you want it or not, you start crying. Yeah, he's a real magician. No one has ever managed to hold back tears. Everyone was rowing like 3 cows. If you don't believe me, cut it yourself. Here's such an amazing vegetable, with character and bright taste. Moving on. Ginger is in front of us now. It is very similar to onions. They're best friends. Cutting it and putting aside. Now, this red kid is a pepper. It is very sweet and delicious. Let's add it too. There we go. And also beans and cilantro. It will turn out very good. Well, how about carrots? Do you like carrots? I just love it. It's so sweet and crunchy. What a beauty. And this is our fish meat. The princess among all. We'll put it separately, actually. There we go. Let's cut it. And now, we'll put them aside as well. Perfect. It's time to make a very delicious sauce from milk and orange curry scent. Adding it in. Wow, it's so soft. Do you like it? At the end, I will add fish sauce. There we go. Sugar. And lime juice. Hooray! We're doing great. Now you just need to mix it. Our amazing sauce is ready. Grease the frying pan with oil and fry the onion and ginger. Putting them in. Look, they've literally turned gold. Wow. Pour the sauce over them. Let them bathe in it. Whoa. Well, what about everyone else? They want to swim too. Great. And Cinderella, our princess, always comes last to the ball. Now everyone is together and everyone is having fun. It'll be very tasty. Ready. Well, what about Prince? Now we will cook some rice. Are you comfortable there? I think so. And setting the timer. Are you ready to meet the princess fish? Let's put the rice first. Oh, yeah, it's coming out. And here's our goldfish with his entourage. There we go. My mouth is watering. It's so delicious. They're the best couple in the world. Ta-da! A little cilantro for happiness. What a beauty. Enjoy your meal. Hurry up and show your masterpiece to Mom or whoever is closest. They'll be thrilled, just like me. This is a real miracle. I can't tear myself away. Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to make an amazing watermelon ice cream. And here are our watermelons.
Please, wait! How much do watermelons cost? Your watermelons cost $2. Okay. Here you are. Thank you.
Now we can go home. Hooray! I'll cut the watermelon into small pieces. Ta-da! Now, I'll put them in a bowl. But not all of them. Most of them. And I'll mash it all up to make watermelon juice. Ready? We can pour the juice through a sieve to remove the pulp. Of course I'll eat it. Great. I'll find a new bowl, put gelatin and sugar in there. I love it a lot. And now I'll pour in some warm water and stir it with a spoon so that it dissolves. Hooray! We can light a fire and cook on the stove. I'll boil my sweet water first. When bubbles appear, you can remove the saucepan. I'll pour it into 3 bowls. Why? You'll find out now. In the first, I'll pour watermelon juice. In the second, coconut milk. And in the third, I'll put some green dye. At the end, I'll add usual milk to all the bowls and mix it well. And here are my favorite ice cream molds. Now I'll pour the watermelon juice here and put them in the freezer for half an hour. Have you already understood my idea? It's the turn of coconut milk. And again, I put the molds for half an hour. And then the green layer as well. Perfect! Wow, it looks incredible! They're almost like real ones! Ta-da! Great watermelon ice cream is on my table. It looks unrealistically beautiful. Do you like it? Finally, we can try it! It's so delicious and sweet! Wow! Just wow! Hello friends! Do you like Chupa Chups? Let's cook them! Which jam should I use? Green, orange, or yellow?
Green!
I'll take everything!
Strawberry jam! Let's do it!
I'll also make a strawberry one. It'll be red like a fresh strawberry. To begin with, I'll cut it with my knife. Oh, what a fragrance! My mouth is watering! I would have eaten it by now. Ready. Now I'll put it in a blender. Add sugar and water, just like that. Super! I'm turning it on. Wait, that's not all. To make jam, you need to heat strawberry jam on the stove. I'll also splash some more lemon juice and sprinkle some sugar. Look, the jam begins to boil and thicken. So, you can remove the pan from the stove. Now, I'll pass it through a sieve to remove the pulp. Great! Blue tea will come next. I'll pour boiling water over it first so that it brews. And cover it with a lid. Let it sit there. Hooray! To make a Chupa Chups, I'll pour sugar into a frying pan and pour some sweet syrup. Also some water and milk. It turned out to be a sweet base for future Chupa Chups. Finally, I can pour it into bowls. And add my awesome jams. The first Chupa Chups will be strawberry. The second from blue tea. The third from kiwi. The fourth from passion fruit. And the fifth is a marmalade one. Ta-da! It remains to fill the gem molds. Put the sticks into the holes, just like that, and put them in the freezer. Ready! I got real Chupa Chups. They look cool.
yummy.
I'll try orange. Wow, how delicious! And now blue. Let's see how different it is. Wow, that's so cool!